Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you a technique on how to transfer text and images from a laser print onto another surface. I'm using this technique in February's print for our $10 patrons, and I wanted to share it with all of you guys since it's such an interesting and unique technique. You're only going to need two things for this process. One, and the most important, is that you will need a Chartpak add marker in the Blender. This is a very special marker that has a chemical in it that will allow you to transfer these images. Not any alcohol marker will work. And the other thing that you will need is any toner printed image. These are from copy machines or a laser printer, and you'll want to print the image or text in reverse. And I have here a couple of different words that I'm going to be printing onto the prints this month. So you can see that these are printed backwards because when we apply them down to the print, we'll want that to register obviously in the reverse. So let's get started. For this demonstration, I've already done the printing that I wanted to do for the print of the month using a carved stamp that I've made out of speedball pink rubber. So I have a handful of these already done here, as you can see on my workstation. I've also included some that I've already started to hand watercolor, which is another technique I'll be using for this month. So we're going to go ahead and use it on the one that I've already done the watercolor on. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of those words that I showed you that I had printed in reverse, and we're simply going to lay it over the print. Kind of line it up where you want it to go there. And then with, again, that Chartpak add marker blender, we're going to use this, and these guys stink, so I suggest you do this in a well-ventilated area. We're going to line this up and simply draw over it with the blender. And you see how you start to get that image coming together. You really want to get this nicely saturated, so go over it a handful of times here. When we're done with that, cap that marker. And then I like to use a wooden spoon. You can use pretty much anything that has like a rounded edge to it, but I've had one that's worked on here a lot. And we're just going to go and really gently, but still firmly, kind of go over that ink. Do it a couple times here, and then lo and behold, when you lift away, you have a word. And that's a really interesting technique to use for these Chartpak add markers. And as I mentioned, you can use these for black and white images, color images. I personally find that it works the best with very crisp, clear, black images, so text is a really ideal example. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial and look forward to getting these in the mail soon. Thanks!